In this session, again we are going to do the summary writing, passage number 7. Now this is the passage, a bit long, but still, okay, let us attempt it together. This article taken from the Times of India. Now as I read, I come to know this article taken from the Times of India. So from which paper it is taken? From the Times of India, Hyderabad. Follows the entrepreneurial journey of 3 young achievers. That is, it is a entrepreneurial journey, that is a business journey of 3 young achievers who followed through on their business ideas. Okay, now this gives you an idea of their journey of 3 young achievers on their business ideas that initially seemed strange to others. They have some ideas. Initially, other people found it useless. The first is Sandeep Gajakas. So I will underline the first is important. Sandeep is important. 28 from Mumbai, who has set up his own sports shoe washing enterprise, or you can use the word business. The next is, instead of next is I'll omit. Okay, the next is Suhag Khemlani, who set up, instead of who, just set up her own window cleaning business in Bangalore. Okay, she's from Bangalore. At the young age of, I will omit at the age of only 29, I will take. The third, okay, Wasif Khan, 27, delivers home cooked fresh food for pet dog in Mumbai. Everything is very, very important. Now the first passage, Sandeep left his well-paying job, much to the disappointment of his father, to start his own sports shoe laundry business. Now laundry, that is washing. See, already Sandeep we have taken once. Okay, now he has left his job and then started. This is not very, very important. Now see, he started sports shoe laundering business. That also already we have underlined. So we will just omit this lesson because already we have taken this. Okay, already we have underlined those words. His business offers home pickup and drop and washing of the sports shoes and has even tied up. Now we will take into account, we'll think about this. His business offers home pickup and drop and washing of the sports shoes. What does it mean? That in his business, he takes the shoes and he washes the shoes. So it is really pointless. Now once I say that I am a tailor, what does it imply? That I stitch the clothes of the people. Suppose if I say I am a sweeper, what does it imply? That I clean the area. So in the sportsman, in his own business, sports is, what is his business is? Shoe washing enterprise. That itself implies, उसका ही मतलब ये होता है कि वो क्या करता होगा, इस बिजनेस ऑफर्स, यानी ही goes to home, he picks up the shoes, drops and wash the sports. So I will not repeat this sentence because the meaning is implied in the phrase. Has even tied up. Now this is important, that he has tied up with Reebok and Adidas dealers for after sales service. Today, his business is so much in demand that he has to refuse tie-ups with corporate due to lack of time. What does it indicate? It does not show any point. It indicates that he is very successful. Nothing else it shows. Okay, nothing else is added. This is only one of the way of saying that he is too busy now. Okay, and he has enough of business. So I will cut this sentence. See, I am explaining you why I have cut the sentences. Please take that into account. The second young achiever is Suhag Khemlani. Already in the first passage, we have written her name, Suhag Khemlani. Okay, the next one, that is the second one. So I will not take this sentence, young achiever is Suhag Khemlani, because I have already taken that. She started her window and facade cleaning business to help out her father, who was in the business of facade cleaning equipment. Now, already what business she has started, that also we have mentioned over here. So what is her mention? Her set up her own window cleaning business. Or we can add one more, window and facade cleaning business. What is the meaning of a facade? Facade is the front part of the building. Okay, that is called as a facade. So this cleaning business, she started already. It is mentioned in the passage number 1. So I would be repeating it. Now, why did she started it? To help out his father, who was in business of the facade cleaning equipment? Not necessary. Today her company has branches in 5 cities. Okay, that is okay. Her company has branches in 5 cities in India. That indicates her success story. So we will include this sentence. She had to begin by changing the mindset of the Indian population, who did not believe that window cleaning could be a successful business in India. Now she had to change the mindset of the people. People did not believe that this is something out of box idea and it can change into the business. I think all the 3 are known for that. Okay, so I won't take this sentence either. Ye wala bhi sentence I won't include in that. Next is Wasif Khan. Already I have included his name in the first passage, so I won't repeat. He is the third successful out-of-box thinker. Out-of-box, that is who thinks very different from the usual things. He initially posed as a market researcher to gain more insight into the business. That means he studied the market to decide what business he should start. That he was interested that into the he did market survey and he was interested in delivering freshly cooked meal to household with pet dogs. Now again, this sentence also we have repeated in the first paragraph. See, the first paragraph we had mentioned that Wasif Khan 27 delivers home cooked fresh food for pet dogs in Mumbai. So we have already mentioned. Today his business boasts of a 500 plus clienteles. Now this is very important. Okay, his business boasts, instead of a boast we can have has 500 plus clientele. Okay, 500 से भी अधिक उसके clients है, including politicians and film stars. Okay, it is very unnecessary. 500 से भी ज़्यादा उसके clients है. All these achievers had the right idea at the right time and had the conviction that is a firm belief, पूरा उनको विश्वास था, to follow through on their ideas and hence today have successful business. Now what we will write is that all the achievers, okay, they had, you can write this sentence as it is, or you can write all the 3 had out of box idea or a different idea than the traditional one or the usual one. All of them are successful. Or business, MBA projects, media and blog attention. So you can say jab bhi aap par when all are focusing on you, maybe it is an MBA project or a media or a blog attention, that means उसे in other word we say that you are in limelight. Okay, यानी आप पर सारे लोगों का ध्यान है. Now very easy. Though the passage is very long, it is very easy passage if we read it very carefully. Now we shall just write the summary over here. We shall do the rough draft of whatever we have learned so far. See here, pay attention here that the article, now what I'm going to write this, the article, this not. What I will write, the article, comma, article, I should understand whatever I'm writing, article from the Times of India, Hyderabad, describes, what I will write, describes, what they are describing, 3 describes 3 young. You can write achievers, the word as it is in the passage, or you can write 3 young businessmen. Anything, okay, businessmen. Now I will write about the first one. The first is Sandeep Gajak, 28, from Mumbai. Now I won't take who has, okay, just set up, or you can write started, his own, no need to say his own, set up, sports, shoe, washing, enterprise, or you can write enterprise if you feel like writing enterprise, or you can write the word business, enterprise. Okay, now this is, we are writing about the first one. So first, about first one, what else, what other information is there in the passage? He tied up with Reebok. Okay, so what we will write? He tied up, or his company, or you can just put a comma, set up enterprise. Okay, shoe washing machine. Okay, he tied up with Reebok and Adidas dealers for after sale service. Now the first businessman is over. Now the second one. See, the second, what you will write? The second is, who is that? Suhag Khemlani, her age is 29, from where is she? From Bangalore. Okay, from Bangalore. What has she done? क्या किया है उसने? Set up her own. Okay, what she did? Set up her own. No need to write her own. Window and facade cleaning. Okay, facade cleaning business. Okay, yes, and it has. Now what is that? What is the second thing? It has branches. It has branches in 5 cities in India. That's all about the second one. Now we shall write about the third one. The third is, who is the third one? Wasif Khan, 27, from where he is? From Bombay, what he does? Delivers home cooked. Okay, delivers home cooked fresh food for pet dogs. Is that clear? That means we have, okay, and the one more point about his business is he has 500 plus, you can write, or you can write more than 500, or you can, he has 500 plus clients. Now all of them, what do they show? That they are successful. So you can write only one sentence. Why write for each one? Okay, write all are successful. All are successful. And they thought differently. Yes, वो अलग कुछ सोचा है. Yes, they thought differently. They thought differently and followed it. यानी वैसा ही उन्होंने किया, and they followed it. They are in limelight. जैसे कि हम वे अभी मीडिया का, they are in limelight, यानी मीडिया की उन पर नजर है जब यानी ते प्रकाश झोतात आहेत. Did you understand this? Why we have cut some of the parts, why we have taken some of the parts, and the way we represented it. Now we shall think about the title. Now what can be the title? Title can be Three Young Achievers. Yes. Or the next title can be Startups. Now you know the government has started this concept, startup. That means if you have a good idea, come on, start your business, startups. Or you can have this title, Out of Box Thinkers, यानी कुछ अलग सोचने वाले. Or you can write the title Success Story. So in this way, you can give any title, or if you want very simple one, Three Businessmen, Three Young Businessmen. Okay, so like this, write the title. Look here, see what I have done. I have wrote it fair. Okay, I have done the fair, whatever draft we had prepared. I have written it properly as this is expected in your answer sheet. With that, we finish this summary writing passage number 7.